Chapter 7. Name of the chapter: Jugs and Mugs. Jugs and mugs. Let's start. Make and enjoy lemon drink. You will need half a lemon, a pinch of salt, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 glass of water. How to make it? Here we will see how to make a lemon drink. So we will see the procedure to make a lemon drink. Let's see how to make it. First, take a glass of water and drop a lemon into a water. Take a pinch of salt, 1 spoon of sugar, and with help of spoon mix it. At last, a lemon juice ready. Guess and then find out. First, how many drops of lemon juice do you get from half a lemon? Here, from half lemon, how many drops of lemon juice we get? It may be 8 or 9 drops. Next, how many drops of lemon juice do you get from a full lemon? From full lemon, how many drops of lemon juice we get? It may be 16 or 17 drops. It may be less or more, okay? Next, how many drops of lemon juice fill 1 spoon? Here, to fill 1 spoon, how many drops we need? Yes, 11 or 12 drops. Enjoy your lemon drink. Next, for making 6 glasses of lemon drink. How many glasses? 6 glasses. How many lemons will you need? To make a 6 glasses of lemon drink, we need 3 lemons. It may be 3, 4 lemons, okay? Next, how many spoons of sugar will you take? To make a 6 glasses of lemon drink, we need 6 spoons. Next, lemon drink stall at village fair. There is a fair in Chitra's village. Chitra, Nazim and Ansh wants to put up a stall to sell lemon drink. They make a bucket full of lemon drink. They use 2 glass of different size. So this is a picture of a fair. Fair means Mela in Chitra's village. A girl name is Chitra. A boy name is Azim. Another boy name is Anish. Here they they plan to put a stall to sell the lemon drink, so they make a bucket full of lemon drink, you can see in the picture, and they have decided to use 2 different glasses of different size, the big glass for ₹10 and small glass for ₹5. Next, Anish got a jug. Do you think it is easier to pour into a glass from jug than a bucket? Yes, it is a easier way to pour a glass from the jug than a bucket. Next, Nazim found that 2 big glasses fill the jug. Shabnam wants to buy 1 jug full of lemon drink. How much does she need to pay? According to Nazim, to fill jug, Nazim used 2 big glass to fill the jug. And here Shabnam wants to buy 1 jug full of lemon drink. So, how much does she need to pay? We seen in the picture, for big glass, the price is ₹10. Okay. And for small glass, the price is ₹5. Here, 2 big glass is need to fill a jug. So, we need 2 big glass of 10 rupees. 10 each, 10. So 10 it gives 20 rupees. So right here 10 plus 10 it gives 20 rupees. Chitra found that 2 small glasses fill 1 big glass. So here, to fill a big glass, we need 2 small glass according to Chitra. Okay. How many small glasses of lemon drink will fill the jug? Here we have to fill a jug. We have to fill a jug. So how many small glass needed to fill a jug? Yes, we use 4 small glasses of lemon drink to fill a jug. So right here 4 small glasses. Next, how many small glasses will fill half the jug? Here to fill a half jug, how many small glasses is needed here? Yes, we use only 2 small glasses of lemon drink, because to fill full, if we need to fill a full jug, we need 4 small glasses. But here we have to fill only half, so we use only 2 small glasses. Next, fun in filling vessels. Vessels means you can see in the picture. So this all things is known as vessels. Okay. Find out how many cups of water will fill your bottle. First guess, then try it out. Now fill a different bottle with same cup. Which bottle holds less water? Try it with another bottle. Which bottle holds least water? So here, try at home, students. Here take one bottle. So in this fun in filling vessels, here they told to take a bottle. So take one bottle and take another bottle also. With help of the same cup, in both we used to fill a water, and we will count how many cups we use to fill a water. Okay, then make a differentiate. Next, try it at home. Sunaina and Jaspreet brought different vessels from the kitchen. They had a jug, a glass, a mug, a pot, a bowl. They filled each of these with a cup. So here there are some pictures of vessels. In first picture is jug, mug, glass, bowl, pot. First question. Guess which vessels holds the least water? Among these pictures, among these vessels, which hold the least water? Yes, bowl is small in size and it hold least water. So right here, bowl. Next, which vessel holds the most water? Most means more water and least means less. Okay, most means more. In which vessel it hold most water? In jug or pot? Yes, it hold in pot most water. Okay, so right here, pot. Now you collect different vessels from your kitchen. Use the same cup to fill each of them. So try it at your home. Count the number of cups of water and each of them can be held. First guess, then do it. So here the vessels you used, the cups of water to fill it. So here first vessel is bowl. So with same cup, let's see how many cups of water to be need to fill the bowl. 3 cups we need. To fill a jug we need 10 cups of water. To fill a mug we need 7 cups of water. To fill a glass we need 5 cups of water. So it may number may change, okay, according to the size of cup. Ring the one which holds more water. In first A, two pictures are given. Among this, which hold more water? First one or second one? Yes, first one will hold more water. So do a circle around the first picture. Next, here two pictures, cup and saucer. Among this, which hold more water? Cup. So do a circle around it. Next, in third, among this both, which hold more water? First one or second one? Yes, first one. Next, D, among first and second, which hold more water? Yes, second one will hold more water. Next, Rani and the milkman. A girl name is Rani and he is a milkman. And name of milkman is Anil. So Anil is a milkman. So he is a milkman. He gives the same amount of milk at Rani's house every day. He used 3 mug. Anil the milkman. Anil is a milkman. He gives the same amount of milk at Rani's house every day. He uses a mug 3 times to fill Rani's milk pot. One day, Rani's mother gave her a different pot to take milk. Every day, Rani's pot would fill to the top. But today, Rani found that the pot was not filled completely. Oh, today Anil has given me less milk. Here in the picture you can see a man name is Anil. A girl name is Rani. Anil is a milkman. He gives the milk to Rani's house every day. He uses 3 times mug to fill Rani's milk pot. One day Rani's mother changed her pot. So Rani noticed every day Rani's pot would be filled to the top, but this time she noticed that the pot was not filled completely. So Rani said, Anil has given me a less milk. Do you think Anil has given Rani a less milk? Help her? No, Anil has not given a less milk because Rani had changed her pot, so she is in mistake. Okay. Find out how much milk does your mother buy every day. I had written 2 liters. You can write according to your house how many your mother used to buy a milk. Try yourself. Take 5 different types of big vessels from your kitchen. Fill all of them one by one with a 1 jug full of water. What do you see? Why? Talk to your friends about it. So here, do this activity at home. We can see that same vessels fill up and some are not filled up. Okay. Next is a story, Thirsty Crow. Chirpu Crow was very thirsty. He looked everywhere but could not find water. Suddenly it saw a pitcher. It means matka. When it tried to drink water, it found there was very little water in the pitcher. It saw pebbles lying nearby. I have an idea. But the pebbles into the pitcher one by one. The water came up, Chirpu drank the water and flew away. Thirsty Crow. Chirpu Crow was very thirsty. It looked everywhere but could not find water. Suddenly it saw a pitcher. It means matka. When it tried to drink water, it found there was very little water in the pitcher. Here, a crow name is Chirpu. Chirpu was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there. Suddenly, it saw a pitcher. Pitcher means matka. and it tried to drink water, but there was very little water in the pitcher. So Chirpu not able to drink water. It saw a pebbles lying nearby. Chirpu saw some pebbles are lying nearby. I have an idea. Chirpu had an idea. It put the pebbles into the pitcher one by one. Chirpu take the one by one pebbles and put into the pitcher. Then the water came up. Chirpu drank the water and flew away. So he slowly take the pebbles and put into the pitcher, and one by one so the slowly the water came up. Chirpu drank the water and flew away. So you can see in the picture here there were little water, and Chirpu put pebbles, and water slowly came up, and water slowly came up to the top, and Chirpu drank the water and flew away. Do you want to be like a Chirpu? Do you want to know how the water in the pitcher came up? So here, to know how the pitcher in the water came up, so here activity is given. Take 2 glasses of same size, fill half of each glass with a water. Here we have to take a 2 glasses of same size and fill a half water on it. You have to put a turpentine, it means imli seeds, in the first glass to raise the water to the top, and guess how many seeds you will need to put it. So we have taken 2 glasses with half water. Okay, in first glass put a imli seeds inside the glass. If we put the imli seeds, the slowly the water raise up to the top. So here we have to guess how many seeds we had used. Count the number of seeds used. According to my guess, it is 17 seeds. Okay, next. Now put the same number of marbles in second glass. What happens? Repeat it with a stone. What happens now? Why? Talk about it in the class. So in second glass, you take marbles and check it out. Checking out how many marbles have been used. Okay, to raise the water up to the top. So observe it, try at home and observe it. Okay, next, and you can also use stones. So all this activity do at home and discuss with your friends. Water is useful. Find out how much water in mugs or bucket is used in your house for each of the following. Here in first picture, a boy is taking bath. So how many buckets we need? Buckets of water we need to take bath, 1 bucket. To wash our clothes we need 2 buckets. To wash our dish or plates we need 2 buckets. To drink, your girl is drinking water. Here to fill the glasses we need 2 mugs of water. Guess and then find out how many mugs of water fill 1 bucket. To fill 1 bucket we need 20 mugs of water. How many buckets of water do you use to take a bath? To taking bath, how many buckets we use? 2 buckets. How many mugs of water do you use to take bath? To take bath, how many mugs of water we use? Here we use 25 mugs of water. How much water will fill the balloon? Here to fill a 1 balloon, how much water we will use to fill 1 balloon? We use 1 mug of water. How much water is needed to fill water gun? It means pichkari. You can see in the picture. To fill the pichkari we need 2 mugs of water. I can drink 9 buckets of water at a once. How many buckets can 2 camels drink at a once? So one camel can drink 9 buckets of water at one time. In same way, for 2 camels again 9 need. So 9 plus 9, it gives 18 buckets of water. Next, thank you.